to show you a little bit more about our VeriDent electronic insurance verification product. We're moving from beta testing into early adopters. And the core of the system is really the report. And we built a customized report that really pulls the information about the patient, what their insurance benefits are, what their minimums, maximums are, things like that. The information that we gather varies based on the insurance company. Obviously, you can export it and you can also re-verify it there as well. But what we do is because we integrate with most of the major practice management systems, we pull all the information in with appointment date, their insurance information. There's quite a bit of cleanup that happens there. And each of the users has their own individual template that they build in here. So it can be in network or out of network. And it's basically tied to the ADA code. So this one has all of them in here, which is our kind of our standard report. And then, they can remove them just by clicking the delete, moves them over to the left side. They can also view the report there at the bottom. In this case, I'm going to cancel out and go back and show you a little bit more of the system. Profile is pretty simple. Information about who the doctor is, their email information. MPI is an important component to this insurance verification. Obviously, integrations. In this case, this one is integrated in with Dentrix. We can also do Eaglesoft Open Dental. We're adding more and more of those integrations all the time. And as far as the billing section, we do a monthly invoice and then allow you to have update your payment information here. So again, very simple. Allows you to change your password there. So that's VeriDent. The whole goal of this is really to make it fast, easy, simple to verify insurance, do it electronically, and also to create that custom report. The limitations of this product are really limited based on what the insurance companies provide to us electronically. And so we're going to add more and more of that information from the insurance companies as that becomes available. But that's VeriDent in a nutshell. Look forward to getting some more testers, some more early adopters as we move into the next phase of the product launch series for VeriDent.